Hisense M2 Pro Mini Projector now available to pre-order with free Anker power station. Hisense's new M2 Pro 4000 Triple Laser Mini Projector is now available to pre-order in the US, Australia, and Germany. This model is said to deliver up to 1300 ANSI lumens brightness, throwing images up to 200 inches wide. Plus, customers who pre-order the projector can get a free Anker portable power station with their purchase. The Hisense M2 Pro 4000 UHD Triple Laser Smart Mini Projector is available to pre-order. This model was unveiled earlier this year and will be released in countries including the US, Australia, and Germany. In the US, customers can currently pre-order the M2 Pro directly from the brand for $1,299.99. Plus, those who purchase the device before July 31st are eligible to receive a free Anker Solix C300 portable power station worth $299.99 $249.99 at Amazon with their order. Customers in Australia can purchase the projector at JB Hi-Fi, which is offering the model for a $1,695 and $800 discount on the $2,495 RRP. At Amazon Germany, you can order the Hisense M2 Pro for €1,299, with delivery expected on July 4th. The M2 Pro is described as a mini projector with a 4000 resolution. It is marketed as having a 240 Hz refresh rate and can throw images up to 200 inches wide. The triple laser light source is said to deliver up to 1300 ANSI lumens brightness and should run for around 25,000 hours. According to Hisense, the projector covers 110% of the BT 2020 color space, with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HELB. Other features include Filmmaker Mode, MEMC motion smoothing, and automatic keystone correction. It runs on the brand's Vita OS, providing access to a range of streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube. There is a built-in 20W speaker system compatible with Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual. Ports include HDMI 2.1 ALM and USB 3.0, but there are no Ethernet or RF antenna ports. The M2 Pro projector is said to be the company's smallest and lightest laser projector yet, measuring 7.6 times 8.6 times 9.1 inches and weighing 8.6 pounds, 3.9 kg. It is unclear when Hisense will officially launch this product in other markets like the UK.